Javi?
Yes, they do.
See, when I type over here, when I executed your code, it is showing lot of errors, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 1 second. Yeah, sorry for delay, and I'm back. So see, these are your, what does means this? So I will again open this into and okay, this is our code, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
So you need explanation also, right?
Sorry?
You need explanation also of this code, right?
Um, I think so.
Okay, so we'll go in detail. So this is called as header file.
Mm-hmm.
This is an header file. Okay. What is the meaning of iostream.h? The meaning is that, let's see. So this iostream is an header file which contains all the functions, of program like cout, that is output statement. This is your output statement.
Mm-hmm.
Then scene, this is your input statement. We are giving input to scene, okay, etc. So this part, this include, what does it tells? Okay, only this part, include. Okay, it tells your preprocessor to include this header file okay in program, to include this header file in program. So did you got it? What is the
Yeah.
use of this? So this tells preprocessor to include header file in the program. And what is iostream dot? This is what is iostream. So this is nothing but this is an header file. It the meaning of it is that what are the statements like? It contains all the functions. Okay, it contains this iostream contains all the function of the program like cout, cin, right? Clear up to here, Javi?
Yes.
Okay. So it is an header file. So final statement is that it is an header file which is responsible for input and output. Okay, it is responsible for input and output. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so this is output statement. Okay. So see, I evenly for any value I, then n is not prime. Okay, it is showing that problems are in there. But the main thing is that it require again some input statement header files. So that should be entered header file. So I'm entering over here hash include. Okay. I. Okay. So this is one file. After that, hash include math dot h is in second change. So we have done two changes. Okay, we have done two changes. So why we have done this change? Okay. So this is an header, right? This is
What
an
did
header.
what did you include for that one?
Yeah, this is second one I include.
Yeah, like what functions did you include? Like what does that one do? Because
Okay,
the iOS one is the
that's what
C.
I'm telling you. That's what
Oh,
I'm telling to you. Okay. So let me clear this. Okay. So see, so we have included over here. We have included hash include bits C plus plus dot h. So what is the use of that? I'm explaining now. So we have included this file, right?
mhm.
So you got clear idea about this. Okay, you clear. Okay. So now, so it is also a basically header file. So the file which starts with this include section, okay, it is called as header file. Clear?
Yeah.
So then what is the use of this another part? It's stdc c plus plus dot h. Then what is the use of this now? It is basically a header file that includes every standard library. You know that standard library? Yesterday we have seen in Java at left hand side, Java library.
Yeah.
So in that way, this is also an header file which includes every standard library. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
So using this, so what is the use in the programming context? Using this file, okay, When you want to reduce the time wasting, okay, especially when you rank, means what I mean to say, when you want to reduce, let's say this is your time, when you want to reduce, okay, the time to be wasted in doing chorus, okay, so this has been used. Clear?
Yeah.
Just a moment. Sorry. So this is the second one. Clear, Javi, up to here?
Yeah.
So next to that is what? We'll go back to our editor. Next to that is what? Math.h. What we have entered? Third, second change we have done, math.h. Clear?
Yeah.
So math.h, it is also an header file. Okay. Basically, it is been developed for mathematical function. Okay. Let me clear. Copy. Coming back over here. So see this math.h. What is the use of this? This is also an header which is used for mathematical operations. So that's why it's important. So what are the mathematical operation? Let's say addition, fraction, addition, subtraction, finding even number, odd number, square root, each thing. Clear, Javi? This is
Yeah.
required for that purpose. This include math.h, right?
Mhm.
So next to that, we'll be back towards our, okay. So this is what using namespace standard. Okay. So now using bool is prime. So you can see okay, lot of the problems are been there. So again I will run. We have done two changes, right?
Mhm.
And we are running the code. Okay. So I evenly for any value I, then n is not a prime. For n, okay, you will not understand it. This will go step by step. So if we come over here, so this is what a boolean, bull means what, that is boolean is prime, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so I will explain this statement to you. control. So what is this?
It's
This,
either true or false.
no. This code is a function. It is a function. Okay, this code means I'm speaking related to only to this, right? Code is a function that takes integer as input. You know what is meant by integer? Did you know?
Yeah.
Can you please answer me?
It's any number that is not a decimal. So like 1,
Yeah, I got
2.
it. Yeah, that's right. So it is a this code is a function that takes integer as an output, as you said that, not decimal, as in 1, 2, 3, in this way. Okay, and it returns unless it returns true if your number is prime. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is a use of this function prime. But what we have to do, what change we have to make? Can you tell me what has been missing? So this is our code. We'll go over here. So what is missing? Is there integer written, any integer over here?
No.
So we have to pass integer, right, to get back the number is prime or not. Clear? So I'm changing int is equal to n. Clear? So this is a third change we have done, right?
Yeah.
So after that, then this loop over the value I2, you know that if input value is n, it's divided into, they have given explanation over here. Okay, if I is equal to 2 square root, if input value is n, it divides. Okay, so this no need to explain this. Now we'll come to this code now. Okay, if n is equal to 2. Okay, so what is the use of this statement? Your loop starts at this statement. Okay, the loop starts from this statement. Okay, loop start at 2. Okay, which is not prime because it divides evenly by 2. Okay, now these are the comments. You know that these are the comments, right, David? These are only the comments. Okay, so that is not anything I'm writing in program. Okay, these are only the comments that we do have, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so next up to that, return true. Next what? Return true. This one. No problem over here. Okay, so we have made 3 changes, which was that at line number 2 we have inserted bits /std ++.h. So this is an header file which includes standard libraries, right? So next to that, include mat.h, which contains every arithmetic operation that is required. Okay,
Mhm.
So third one is what we have passed and value integer so that the number here we can see boolean is prime. This called functions. Okay, function. This is a function. Bool prime. This is a function, right? That takes integer as an input and returns true if number is prime. That's why we have passed this thing int n. Okay, so after that you know that what is the use of this. Okay, now coming back to this now. What is the use of this plus plus operator? Can you answer, Javi?
It increments the I.
Yeah, it increments the I. That's very right. So it is used for iteration purpose. You know that this is for loop for int I equal to 2, I is less than equal to seal square root n. So this is a condition that has been given in for loop,
Mhm.
right? So that,
Um,
yeah, go ahead.
so we're trying to find if the number is prime, right? So if
Yeah.
it divides evenly, then it's true, or else it's false.
Yes, yes.
Okay, just wanted to make sure.
So got it up to here?
Yeah, I just don't know what they mean by I is less than or equal to seal and then the square root. I don't really understand that part.
Okay, okay, okay. I will understand. No problem. I will explain you. Just a moment. We'll take this. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't understand this, right?
No.
Okay, so I will tell you. So this statement, you know that this has been used for incrementing, right? Means
Yep.
adding. Let's say one is there. Let's say int I is equal to 1. If I do, sorry, let's say we will use int j for Javi, j is equal to 1. And if I done I plus plus, what will be the value of j now?
2.
Exactly. So you got it. This has been used for incrementing purpose, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then it iterates through all the integers. Okay. See this I is equal to 2. Now you want this seal, right? I is less than equal to seal. Hmm? Yes or no? Okay.
Yeah, I can understand that.
It iterates through integer up to square root this of n. What we have been passing? We are passing n, right? So it will iterate iterate up to this sqrt n. Okay. All the integers. It will iterate up to this. All the integers. All the integers means what this? Okay, these are the numbers. This loop will get increased. I is equal to 2. Then it will increase I plus plus. It will take 3. And it will take 4. It will take 5. It will take 6. Okay, you know that I plus plus, right? So it will
Mhm.
go on and on till this is an condition. I is less than equal to seal in bracket square root of n. Okay, it will iterate till when up to the this square root. Okay, and it will stop. When it will stop, can you answer me?
It'll probably stop if it returns false in the other, like continuing the statement, because there's an if statement.
Exactly. And it will stop, correct answer. It will stop when your number n means the square root n. Okay. When your n does not divide evenly by any value of I. Now clear?
Like, what does seal even mean? I
Okay.
haven't seen it before.
Till that is an condition. Okay, means that is an variable, you can say. That is an variable that has been assigned. Okay. So instead of seal nothing, that you can take J also, you can take A also. Okay. Clear? It is an type of variable. You will get
Sorry, so then the variable, let's say a, is gonna be multiplied by the square root, or
in square root, we are passing n over here. So it will stop when this number, when it does not divide evenly by the value of I. Okay, we'll go a bit further and then I will come again towards this for loop so that you can understand. Does that make sense?
okay.
Okay. Let me clear this. So again, I will paste it. Okay. Our code begins with n equal to 2. See over here. Our code begins with our number equal to 2. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
That number
Yep.
is over here. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. The code begin with if your n equal to 2 returns true. This will return what? True. This checks to see if the input value n equals to 2. What does it will check? Simply it will check input value n equals 2. Okay. Then next to that, okay, if n, so now this we are use n. So what is the value of n at initial stages?
2.
Yeah, exactly. If n mod I is equal to 0, if the input value n divides, what is the use of this now? I will not tell orally, I will write and tell you. Okay, check it out. Sorry, this needs to be copied. I copied the wrong one. n mod I equal to 0. Okay. Now see, if, what is the use of this? If the input value comma n divides I. So to whom we are dividing? If the input value n, okay, this n, right?
Mhm.
It is dividing to,
I.
right? Evenly. Okay. Then n is not prime. You got it? Let's
Yeah.
say, means if this input I divides I evenly, you know the even number, right?
Yeah.
Then n is not prime. This is condition. It will return false. Okay. So getting back towards that code over here. Okay, I will come up to this seal. I know that you are having a doubt what is seal. Okay. See, first of all, at the line number 7, what it was saying, I
E-
evenly for any value I, then n is not prime. What was the error? I was not declared in the scope, right?
Mhm.
Okay, what was the error? This bull is prime. Okay,
Mhm.
so what we have passed? We have passed this int n into it. Okay, and what it's telling at line number 7? Okay, now next to that, this it's showing an n. What is showing? N was not declared in the scope, right? He was telling your n is not declared, so we have declared it int n. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now next to that. So you clear up to this line number 11. I know that this seal is been remain. I will clear you out, right?
Okay.
Wait. Okay. So done up to here. So next
Yeah.
to that, math prime number return false. Great. Return true. Okay. This function computes nth prime, n must be positive. Now this is line number 20. Okay. So what he's telling, what is void? What is void?
It means that the user is not gonna see that.
No, no, it is an return type. Okay. So it is not necessary. This is an error. See here. In void function prime, error. Searching was not declared in the scope. Okay. I will remove this. Okay. No, there is no need of that. Now we have to enter int. Now I'm running the code. Again, I have done that change. So see here. So a lot of the errors will be solved after doing changes. So see, you are done. Here was void and we have changed with the help of int, right? So int, can we store anything in void? Means like Is that void is used for any number? Can we do this?
I don't think so.
We can't do. So that's why that was an error over there. It was not needed. Okay. So int your value is equal to 1, find prime number. This is a function int n we have which has been passed to it. Okay. So next searching start, while is been used, counter is less than your n. Okay. Then value plus plus whatever the value that is come. If it is an prime value, then it will say counter plus plus. Okay. And now we'll run it.
Maybe brackets.
Yes, errors. We'll see again what we are, where we have been going wrong.
Line 25, doesn't it need brackets?
Line number 25, right? Let's check.
Like while bracket.
Yeah. Wait, we'll check it out. While value plus plus, so it is in loop.
No, I just mean like the inside, like the counter, doesn't it need like round brackets around the counter minus, I mean, is less than n? Or no?
Counter. Yeah, it needs an bracket while. Exactly, you are right. Here, na, foreign condition.
Mhm.
Exactly correct. I was not able to figure it out. Let's check again. It is showing some error. While counter and if it is prime value, it's correct. We'll see from the starting again by line by line. Let me check it. So it has been done. It has been done. Yeah, namespace standard boolean is prime int n is equal to true, correct. Returns true for int I is equal to 2. Till square root n I plus plus exactly return false. Here the book has been connected. True, then int find number int value 1. Counter is equal to 0. Then searching for while is int n is equal to value plus plus if number is and counter plus plus return value used to return the value out.
So the hello
50
probably needs the quotation, not quotation, but those little lines because it's a string. The hello, let's find some primes.
let's find some primes. It require here is inverted comma. Here also it requires inverted comma. Then yeah, it's okay. Then find, yeah, let's try to run it now. count and L showing int main. It requires this also.
Mm.
Searching 35, line number 35 main. Match this. Okay, wait. So we required here again one bracket to cover it, right?
Mhm.
Now line number 24, searching. So what it is telling, searching while searching was not declared in the scope. It is telling searching is not declared in the scope. I evenly, then n is not prime. I was not declared in the scope. Line number 7.
Oh, I think the searching, it's not actually part of the program. It's just a comment. It probably just got commented out.
I. Line number 7.
Oh, it's a comment, I think.
It's comment. And while it was also an comment.
Mm-hmm.
Now we'll run it. Yeah. Can you see the output?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes, I can.
Just give me 1 minute. Just 10 seconds.
Mhm.
Hello, Javi.
Hi.
So this is what you want an answer of seal, right?
Yeah, I believe that's the answer. Yes.
Okay, so this is what an standard library function. Okay, it returns the smallest integer value. Okay, seal is an function. This is an function. So I will
Mhm.
tell you. This seal, what is it? It is an function. It is written in this way. So this is an function that returns smallest possible integer value, which is greater than given argument. Clear?
So when you say give an argument, if you were to give an example, what would that look like?
So that is what we have in the program. See, this is an argument we have been passed.
So
N.
2, right?
Okay, we have been passed into this function square root n.
Mhm.
Clear? This is an argument we have passed. So what
Yeah.
is saying? It returns the smallest integer value which will be greater than this n. Your value will be greater than this n. See, your value will be greater than this n. Okay. From this number, it will be always greater. 3, 5, 7, 11, right? Seal value, this value. Okay. I will, at initial it will print I, and after that the value will be always greater than n. That's what this seal function is telling. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Mm-hmm.
To see this thing, I have made for you one document, Javi.
Mm-hmm.
So this is our original code, right?
Yep.
Which they have given to you, right?
Yep.
So after this original code, this is, so I have written over here. This is original code. Change code with output means explanation I have given of each and everything you can see over here.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You can go through it.
Okay. Cool.
Only seal explanation is not there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Into it. And this is your output.
Okay.
Okay. Clear?
Yep.
So I will send you this now only. Let me know your email address.
Yeah, it's I'll type it in the chat.
Okay, chat me. Let me know whether the mail has been arrived to you.
Mm-hmm.
So I will write here assignment number 1.
Okay.
1 of C. Will attach the files. This is your original code. Open. Again, I will attach one thing. The main lab.cpp. Right.
Mm-hmm.
So 2 things I have added it out. Please check it out. The rest of the thing you can do, right?
Yes.
So I send it out. Check it.
Mm-hmm. We'll check right now.
Did it arrive to you?
Yes, it did.
So are you having any doubt over here?
No. But what does an undeclared identifier mean when we get
Okay.
here?
Okay. So means, let's say this n is been there and it is not declared in this way. Here, it's not declared and you are directly using it.
Mm-hmm.
You are directly using it. Then it will show that error.
Okay, so when we use something and it's not declared, then that's the undeclared identifier?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh.
So I will again send you notes regarding that. What was your question? Undeclared identifier, right?
Yes.
I will give you again explanation in the notes also. Okay, no problem. So clear up to this. Shall we go with Java now?
Yes.
I think so. You are having time today, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Java is installed in your system, right?
The Eclipse that we installed last.
Yeah. Last class, what we had installed, right?
Yeah.
I'm sharing my screen again to you. Okay. So up to where we have seen of Java, Javaria, Javi?
Mm-hmm.
Up to which point we have seen Java?
Let me just check the PDF.
Okay.
I believe
We have seen up to this.
I think we were doing this simple program in Java.
Yeah, up to here we were, right?
Yeah.
Now I will explain each and everything of this code. This is in PDF, it won't be. So in last semester, you learned C++, right?
Yeah.
So that you learned from your university itself?
Yeah, I took it in university.
So see, so I will ping you one site also from my side, Javi, so that you can refer with me also.
Okay.
Java T point. It's very basic site that is from Java itself only. You are able to learn many more things over here. Okay. That the history and all that things we have been seen. So see, we'll start with Java variables today.
Okay.
As well as we'll see first this code, simple code, and after that we'll back to the that variables. Don't save over here. Then the code, yeah, we are up to this. Okay. So when I will open Eclipse. Okay. So you know how to create a code, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you share your screen and write that simple code?
Yeah, I'm trying to open it. It says that it needs to be updated. I don't know what happened.
What it's saying?
I'll share my screen.
Okay, share, please.
It says it's something about
Click to reopen the application. This report will be sent automatically to Apple. Double click it, right click it, do right click.
Okay.
Okay. Tell it. Reopen. Open it.
No, it just doesn't. Open.
Okay, let's tell them okay. Or hide the details. You are clicking to reopen.
Okay. I'll do okay.
Check it at bottom taskbar. Is it open or not?
No, there's nothing here.
Okay. So again, can you please right click that? New terminal. Wait. Problem details and configuration. Hide the details. Can you click to hide the details? Clips quite quit unexpectedly. Click to reopen application. This will report sent automatically to Apple. Okay, reopen it. It's not helping you out.
I'll try downloading it again.
No, don't do that. It's already downloaded. Again, go towards that Apple. Wait. Right click over there. And if will not work, again we'll download it again once. Eclipse 2, it is showing. Wait, let me check. Compress Eclipse, new terminal, tab at folder. Oh, the package content, compress Eclipse. Click to open. Can you again re-download it?
Yeah, I'll do that.
So delete that, delete this one.
Okay. It's Eclipse, this one. Is it?
Yeah, this one only. Take a bit down. Okay. Yeah, download. Mac system. Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for download.
Yeah. Is there one that I pressed here?
Yes. Eclipse IDE Java for developers.
Okay.
open it. I think so. It has been downloaded. Yeah. Launch.
Okay.
It is showing that program what we have been did on that day.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what happened.
Okay. Let it be. Let it be. No problem. So I think so. It is showing at bottom side. Can you please bottom side taskbar?
Sorry. What?
Nothing. Nothing. So do one thing. Take an new code.
Okay. Do you want me to delete this?
No, no, don't delete it. Just see there. That is a cross mark over there. Upper side. Hello Java. Hello Java. Upper side. Package Java program about that.
Yeah.
No, 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 not over there. In the code only. Javi. Okay. Upside that Java program upside that hello.java. Wait. I will show you.
Okay.
Here it is.
Yeah. 1 second. It's just asking me for. Okay. Did it work?
See, this is a hello world Java. I'm closing this program. Got it? So when you want to open that, you can open that code again and you can run it. See. So it is in the package of Java program, right? If I am running this code again, I'm opening that code. See, and I'm running that code again. It will show me output. So that when you do the revision of that, you will get it what we have been done till today, right? Just you can close it over here. Okay. So as topic wise, you can make the packages also, right? As a topic wise, you can make packages also. Clear? So today,
Yep.
so I will give you control back to you. Now do one thing. Take an program, simple program. Okay. Right click to Java program. Right click to Java program. Okay, to that package, right click. Okay. Take an class. No, we didn't have to create project each and every time. Class. Okay. Create Java class. Give the name variables.
Oh, variable.
Only public static void main. Wait. See which method stub you should like to create at downside. There is public static void main args. Take it bit down.
This.
Finish it off now. Right. So stop screen sharing. Yours, I will share my screen and then we'll go further, right? So see, this is Java variables. Okay, there are generally types of variable. There are 3 types of variable. Local variable, instance variable, and static variable. Which are the 3 types of variables, Javi?
Local, instance, and static.
Yes, these are the three different types of variable. Control C. Coming back to here, we have already learned we have already done our first program. So the example of program in Java. Here we import classes from packages. So what is packages and what is import java.io? Okay, so see. So this is an package. How do we create package? See, you know that right click, new and package, right?
Mhm.
So this is different. And this package, why we are using this package? What does package contains?
Login page.
Okay, this package is of an login page. Okay, and in a login page there is a class. Okay. So as you know that see, so what is package? Is a group of similar type of classes, interfaces. Okay, so you can see practically over here. What is package? It consists of classes. Okay, let's say again I am taking one new class over here. Okay, I am writing variables. Okay, and I'm finishing off. So see, how many programs are there in login package?
2.
So can we define in this way? What is package? Let's say can we say that this package is nothing but collection of classes? Can we say that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is what I mean to say. Okay, so next to that. Okay, so this that packages are different than this import.java. So import.java.io. This will come forward, means after some time we'll have to import the Java IO. This is what IO means. What? So similarly, as per in C++, we have header files include .h, include math.h, right? We are having, right? Yes or no?
Yep.
So similarly, we are having here in Java import.io. IO means what? Input and output. Okay, got it? As
Yep.
similarly, what we have, you can check it over here. We have seen in C++, right? So this is what, this is an header file. Okay, that consists of input and output things, right? So similarly in Java, this package contains everything. What is the meaning of star? Can you tell me?
I think it means that you could add .h, but you add star instead. I think that's it. I don't know.
No, star means everything. Okay, star means what, Javi? It is nothing but everything. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Star means everything. So this includes whatever we have in input, output, everything that he will import, right?
Yes.
So this is what public class main, as what we have been seeing. Public static void main. This is our main function. Now I will tell you what is this. Okay, 1 second. So what is this public? For a time being, just keep in your mind this is an access specifier. There are three different types of access specifier: public, private, and protected. Public, private, and protected. Public means what? Let's say this is you, this is your friend. Let's say this is your university teacher. Okay. Public means what? It is accessible to all. It is accessible to Javi, Javi's friend, and university teacher. Okay. This is public. Private means what? Let's say it is owned by someone. Let's say you are having your own mobile. The mobile is owned by you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Owned by you. So private is having its own scope, that is limited one. We'll see further practically, but just try to understand what I mean to tell. Okay, and after that, protected. Let's say we are using uh, passwords to your WhatsApp, means you are only knowing. Okay, means its scope is very limited. No one can use this rather than you. Okay, let's say this is Javi. You make it protected. Okay, if you make it protected, no other class, no other class, or no one can use it. No one can use it. Means protected. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So now it is public. Okay. After public, what is the word, dear Javi?
Static.
Okay. So can you tell me what is the use of static?
I'm not sure actually. I don't know.
Okay. So see, so static means what? Static is an keyword. After that, void, main, string, args. So static, see, we it is an keyword. Okay. We can call method directly using class name, using class name without creating object, creating object. Okay, this will also clear you when we'll see practically this static. So static is what? It is an keyword. When we are using anything static. Okay, let's say what was our class name here? Variable, right? What is our class name, Javi?
Variables.
Okay, so variable is our class name. So if we use static, no need to create an object. Okay, so we can directly access it. Okay, after there is what your void. Okay, I will again repeat this after some time. We'll show you what is static again. So did you got it? What is public?
Yes,
What is it?
so that anybody can access it.
Okay, so it is an access specifier. Get it? You got it right. So after that, void has been there.
Mhm.
It is a return type. Just keep in your mind, void is what? It is an return type. Okay.
Mhm.
And after that, main. Okay. Main is what? It is a method name. It is a method name. Okay. It is a method name. Clear?
Yeah, and then what does RGS?
Okay.
ARGS.
Okay. Okay. I will come back to this. So string. What is meant by string? Can you can you answer me?
Like a word like hello, I think,
Yes,
but
exactly.
under quotations.
Exactly. Word like hello under quotation is known as string. Okay. So are you familiar with these two brackets?
Kind of.
Where we have seen these two brackets?
I've only just seen it on string. I don't know.
Array,
Oh,
right? Array concepts in C++.
yeah.
Okay. So these are being used for storing it, storing these things. Okay. And ARG refers to array. Arguments. These are the arguments. ARGS. Arguments. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So these are used for, if someone will ask you what is the use of this, just tell them an answer. It is used for storing the string, or it has been used for storing the value.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Again, in deep down, when I will go further, I will tell you new things, right? So here up to now, what is variable? My direct question to you, what is variable?
It can be anything. It's just a name for, let's say you use the name cat for something you're doing. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it.
Okay, okay.
Or you
So
can use A to store A equals 1.
yeah,
So
that is the exact answer. What means variable are nothing but container. Like let's say this is A and you are storing 10. Means what? It's like an cup over here where you are storing. These are variables. You are storing something. You're storing value. Okay. You are storing something or which holds value. Okay. Variables are container. I will write it completely. Variables are container which holds the value while Java program is executed. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Variables are the container which holds the value while Java programmer executed. When you execute a program, this is a variable which holds a value. This is a variable. So this is a data type. Okay, and this is in what? Value. Okay, this is what? Body. Is in body. It's complete is in body. Opening. This is called as opening curly bracket. This is an closing curly bracket. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now, are variables assigned alone? Are variables assigned alone?
Mm. They have to be in a main.
No. Just I'm asking. Can we do that? Let's say this is our code. Can we directly write A is equal to 10?
I think so, yeah.
Can we? No,
I
Javi.
mean,
We
no.
can't. We can't. See, we cannot write it directly in this way. So for writing the variables, we need data types. Did you got it? Let's say if I want to declare A is equal to 10. So what is 10? Which type of data type should I use? Can you answer me?
Int.
Yeah, exactly. Int A is equal to 10. If I use 10.1 JB, then which data type should I use?
The one with the decimal, it's
Float.
float.
Okay. And if I'm writing your name, Javi, then what should I use?
The string.
Exactly. Okay. Clear. So we cannot use variable.
What about a double?
Okay. So see that double, long. Okay. So these are nothing but, let's say, if you are having a range of 1 to 100, we'll go in detail, no problem. If you are having a range of 1 to 100, for an example, just an example I'm telling. Okay, the range of int is up to 100 only, right? If I want to take the value more than 100, if I want to take 101, okay, this is just an example. Okay, this is just an example. If I want to take value 1 to 100, then what I will use? Int, integer I will use, right? And if I want to take value more than 100, okay, means my range is increased. Clear? My range is increased. So at that time, I will use double. Double means what? More. Okay. Means double. Long. Again, its range has been increased. Clear?
Yes.
Moving forward, we'll cover that part also. Don't worry. We'll cover variable also. So there are, sorry, we will cover data types also. There are 3 different types of variables. Which are they?
They
See?
are static,
Static,
variable, static. I forgot the other one.
okay, static, local, and instance. Okay. These are the 3 different types of variables. Keep it in mind. Static, SIL, you can keep it in your mind, or LIS, lease. Okay. Anything you can keep it in your mind. Static, local, and instance. These are the 3 different types of variable we have, right? So, and data types are what? 2 types of data types. First one is primitive, and second one is non-primitive. Okay. First one is primitive and second one is non-primitive. These are the 2 different types of data types. Clear, Javi?
Yes.
Okay. So what is variable again?
It's something that holds something in a container. It's a container that holds things.
Value. Yes, exactly. It is a
Value.
container that holds value. Exactly. So it is a name which is having reserved area in memory. It is having reserved area in memory. Variable is a name. Let's say this is your computer, and if you want to store something, okay, like that, variables are having, if you want to store something, you will store it in hard disk, right? So
Mhm.
variables are nothing that which is having some area, reserved area in memory. Or simply just keep only one thing in mind. It is an container which holds value.
Yep.
It is a container which holds value. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, there's a combination of vary plus able. Vary plus able is equal to, that means variable. This words variable. Vary plus able. What is meant by vary? This is changing, Javi. Changing. And able means what? Value.
Mhm.
So what is the meaning of variable? Value that keeps
Changing.
changing means variable. Clear?
Yep.
So next to that. So tell me what is, you have to answer me now. What is data type, which is the variable and which is the value? I'm writing in front of you. Int
Is a data type. Oh, okay.
now. Tell me. Explain
So
me. What is this?
So 10 is the value.
Yes, it is value. Absolutely right.
J is the um is Okay. Integer is, or int is the data type,
Exactly.
and J is the variable.
That's right. Clear?
Yes.
Next to this. Okay. So class A, we'll take simple one, right? So this is a syntax, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a keyword. Which is inbuilt in Java.
Mm-hmm.
So A is what?
The variable.
No, Javi. It is a class name, Baba. It is a class name. Okay. When we can write in this way also. Class. Okay. Alex. Okay. So just whatever there in front of class, that is a class name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Whatever there is anything in front of class, that is nothing but class name. Okay. Whatever there is in front of data type, whatever there is anything in front of data type, it is variable. Okay, let's say these all are data types: int, float, string. Okay, anything in front of this a, b, a, what all are these? These are variables, right? And anything in front of class, that is nothing but class name. Clear?
Yeah.
To see once again, class J stands for J. Now what is J?
It is the class name.
Exactly. Now int data equal to 50. Now static int yes equal to wait int yes is equal to 100, and now void method okay int n is equal to 90. Now try to answer me. What is J?
The class name.
Exactly. Now this is an instance variable. Can you answer me which is static variable?
Which one is static variable?
Yes. Can you answer me?
Like in that line, or are you just talking about the static?
No, just I want to know, see, this data, it is a variable or not? Let me answer me.
It's what's gonna hold, it's the name of the container, right? That
No,
holds.
yeah, it's a name of container, but it's called as variable, na Jagi? Okay, how many variables you can see in this program? Can you answer me?
Two. One,
This is
two,
one, this is two, again.
and three.
Yes, exactly. This is a third one, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I will write it separately. Data, yes, and en. What value data is holding?
50.
Exactly. What value this yes is holding?
100.
And what value this en is holding?
90.
Exactly. Okay. It is holding that value. Okay. So now, what is the data type of data?
The int.
Exactly. And what is data type of yes?
The static. Oh,
No,
no, no,
no,
no.
no, no, no.
Int.
Static int only. And what is the data type of this 90?
Also integer or int.
Exactly. So this all are having same data type.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is an instance variable. Means what? That variable which is declared inside the class. Okay, instance variable means what? The variable which is declared inside the class. Okay.
Mhm.
The variable which is declared inside the class. Okay, but is that static written in front of that? No, right?
Mhm.
Okay, variable which is declared inside the class is known as instance variable. The variable which is declared with the keyword static. Okay, see, the scope of this variable is for entire class. Okay. The scope of this variable is for entire class. Okay. Now, next one. The scope of this static. Okay. Okay. The scope of this, wait, I will come back to this point. The scope of this is your local variable. Limited. What is the scope of this local variable? It is up to only this.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. And scope of this static is what? The scope of this variable is to complete class, means instance variable, right? Okay. It is for an entire class. Okay. And next to that, the scope of static. Okay. Generally, it is a common value. Okay. It is a common value, right? It is a common value, but it cannot be local. I will not confuse you. Till here, everything is clear.
Yeah, just what you were saying now. So because it's static int.
Wait. I will explain you that. No problem. I will explain. Okay, just again, I will write it again. Okay. Or should I write it completely new one, Javi, for you? No, see,
No, it's
the,
okay.
the scope of this int variable, that is an instance variable, is for an complete program. Means it can be used for complete program. If we are using static, okay, if we are using static, okay, the variable which is declared with static keyword. Let's come over here. The variable which is declared with static keyword is called as static variable. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. When you can create a single copy of the static variable and you can share among the all instances of class. Means what? Means you can use single copy of s is equal to 100 and you can use all over. Okay, means it saves the memory. Okay, it saves the memory. This static variable saves the memory.
So you
Clear?
can use it in, like other parts of your program?
Yeah,
Or-
we can use it for other part of program. Exactly.
Okay.
And this is instance variable. And what is local? It will not go outside this. What is meant by local variable? The variable which is declared inside the body of method. What? The variable which is declared inside the body of method is called as local variable.
Mhm.
So which is the local variable over here?
It's the part int n equals 90.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So did you got it up to here,
Yes.
Javi? Or should we stop it over here and can we connect it tomorrow?
Yeah, I have to just maybe instead of tomorrow, can you on the weekend? Or are you busy?
No, I am not busy, but try to take knowledge as you can take from me, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I will, yeah, definitely I will connect you on the weekend. Okay. But see, our syllabus, I'm just